Hello everyone, I am excited to share my April monthly cover setup with you. I really enjoy how this month's cover turned out. It's a beautifully simple design that really sparked the imagination. The birds and flowers are not only easy to sketch but also a joy to create. I did them in my favorite technique by creating pen outline, then bringing them to life with colored pencils. The color palette I choose includes shades of blue, orange and green, which complement each other beautifully. For the birds, I incorporated floral patterns and enriched their feathers with darker hues. There is a lot of room for creativity in a monthly cover. You can also add practical additions like calendars, to-do lists, birthdays, special events, and inspirational quotes. My essentials for the monthly plan are calendar and a birthday list. It's an ideal spot for these elements. I wrapped up with some experimental Apple calligraphy, a fun little twist this time. Creating this monthly plan has been a joy, and I hope you like this video. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, give a thumbs up, and check out joiethings.com for custom dot grid notebooks. You'll find a link in the video description. And I wish you a fantastic rest of the day.